And joining me is my colleague Shyama Mishra in Mumbai. Shyama, how are the captains of Indian industry and the markets reacting to the RBI decision?
Well, I'll start with the markets first. We have already been seeing that the markets are reacting in a volatile manner, and it will be mostly largely on the RBI's decision. And the market was actually expecting a lot of other decisions, a lot of other measures, but it has not come through, and that is why we are seeing that. Apart from that, as RBI, it was expected that it will be maintaining the status quo. It has maintained the status quo, and now it is one whole year with no change in the key rates. You asked about the captains of the industry. Well, we have Samir Somaiya with us. He is the president of IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So your initial reaction to the no changing of RBI policy?
Well, we think it was expected that the policy would remain in place as it was. This takes into account the uncertainties in the geopolitical situation and also the volatility in food and oil prices and energy prices. So we think that the RBI is being cautious. And here we see monetary policies playing in tandem with the fiscal policies. We already saw the finance minister talk about how the fiscal deficit is going to be reduced as we go further. Similarly, we are seeing that the inflation is being moderated. The RBI has maintained its stance on withdrawal of accommodation stance, and they're looking at how inflation is coming down from 6.7% last year to around 5.4% this year and 4.5% the year after. So we are seeing that this is in tandem, and we take it as a positive step. Looking at the uncertainties and volatilities in the world markets, the RBI is right in being cautious, and at the same time the governor did mention that the RBI will be nimble enough to respond and modulate policy as needed. All right.
So sir has mentioned about the inflation coming down, but at the same time the governor has said that even though it's coming down and it is expected to moderate further, RBI will be watchful because we don't want anything going out of hand. So that is why that is also there. Apart from that, one major issue that really took the highlight of this PC, the post policy PC, was the Paytm Payments Bank, wherein the RBI governor or RBI has cleared that consumers' interest protection is of utmost importance, and that is why these host of measures have been taken. Over to you.
All right, we'll leave it there. Thank you to you, Shyama, and also to your guest there. Appreciate it.